Those two placements in synastry can trigger very strong emotions in you. So when you have your moon in conjunction to other person's north node, it can create very strong emotional ups and downs. And north node person can really trigger extreme emotional reactions in you. It usually starts with the sense of magic, of fate, but it can end really badly if you don't manage this intense energy between you. And the other aspect that can bring very strong emotions in you is when your moon is in conjunction to other person's Pluto. Here Pluto will bring to the surface your darkest emotions like possessiveness, control, jealousy, obsession. You may start to feel all those emotions that you didn't even know you had. And you may feel really addicted to this emotional intensity. And moon is also our memory, so in both cases it may be extremely hard to forget this person. So let me know if you have any of these aspects in synastry and what is your experience. You can also check out my free guide on karmic indicators in synastry. The link is in my bio.